If you've ever used Remitly or are thinking about it, you might be wondering, does Remitly accept credit cards? The short answer is yes. Remitly does accept credit cards as one of its payment methods in many countries. But before you use one, there are a few important things you should know. Remitly gives users several ways to fund a transfer, including bank transfers, debit cards, and credit cards. Using a credit card can be really convenient, especially if you need to send money fast or don't have your bank details on hand. When you choose the express delivery option, using a credit or debit card is often the quickest way to complete your transaction. The money can arrive in just a few minutes, depending on the destination. However, there's a catch. While Remitly accepts most major credit cards like Visa, MasterCard, and sometimes American Express, using a credit card may cost you more. Many credit card issuers treat international money transfers as a cash advance, which means extra fees and higher interest rates might apply. Even though Remitly itself shows you the transfer fee upfront, your credit card company could add additional charges later, so it's a good idea to check with your card provider before sending money this way. Another thing to note is that credit card availability depends on your country. For example, if you're sending money from the United States or the United Kingdom, credit card payments are usually supported. But in some countries, you might only see options for debit card or bank transfer. The best way to check is by opening the Remitly app, selecting your sending and receiving countries, and looking at the list of available payment methods. So, should you use your credit card with Remitly? It really depends on your priorities. If you need to send money instantly and don't mind paying a little extra, it can be a convenient choice, but if you want to save on fees, you're usually better off using a debit card or bank transfer. Those methods are generally cheaper and help you avoid potential credit card charges. In short, yes, Remitly accepts credit cards, but use them wisely. Always review your total costs before confirming your transfer to make sure you're getting the best deal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you'll never miss more helpful money transfer tips and app comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.